Here in western New York, Buffalo's building, a real old building, is now ready to serve as Erie County's brand new COVID-19 response hub. That's what they're calling it. Tonight, 7 Eyewitness News reporter Ella Arabi has more on this really ambitious undertaking.
An incredible piece of Buffalo's history sits at the corner of Franklin and West Eagle Street. The Lincoln Building first served as a church in 1833, decades later a school. It welcomed 3 presidents, Millard Fillmore, John Quincy Adams, and Abraham Lincoln. And now it's Erie County's COVID response hub.
Epidemiology will be here, the call center, contact tracing on the first 2 floors, and then the 3rd and 4th floor will be utilized for other county activities, but the 4th floor is going to be a dedicated training space for not just the health department, but also for other county agencies that may need it.
But before all these socially distant cubicles and computers were installed, the building needed to be renovated for work in the 21st century. The building has a new roof, HVAC systems on each floor, electrical and data work, an elevator, and fire alarm systems.
But you'd be able to have the whole epidemiology team right here in one space, working as a cohesive unit. They have people kind of spread into different buildings right now, so having them all under one roof, working as a cohesive team all together in one space is going to be very helpful.
The $5.2 million restoration project of this nearly 200-year-old building began in June, and starting next week, Erie County Department of Health workers can call this building their new workplace. And they'll experience its rich history.
We actually were able to uncover a staircase that we walked up to come up here to the 2nd floor. It was really covered up, and it has all that original architecture from 1833.
It has a very rich history, and now to see it brought back to life and in such a great restored kind of way that it's a 21st century functioning in a 19th century building, it's just fantastic.
When the COVID-19 pandemic ends, the county still plans to use the building and lease the office space. In Buffalo, I'm Ella Arabi, 7 Eyewitness News.